दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मेरा नाम सौरभ कुमार है और मैं आप लोग को यहाँ पे एडुटेरिया का करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ा हूं, जो कि आपका ये करंट अफेयर ईयरली मैगजीन 2022 का इस किताब पर पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। आज का टॉपिक वो है आपका सितंबर का जो है, जो भी आपका वन लाइनर है, मेजर नेशनल इवेंट्स। जो भी आपका मेजर नेशनल इवेंट है उसको पढ़ेंगे। और ये आपका नवंबर 2021 से लेके नवंबर 2022 तक का इसमें दिया गया करंट अफेयर। और देखिए हम लोग इसका जो है मेजर नेशनल इवेंट चैप्टर नंबर 45 का आज हम पढ़ेंगे। नवंबर और अक्टूबर हमने पढ़ लिया था, तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे आपका सितंबर से। ठीक है, तो देखिए आपका सितंबर यहाँ पर है, तो यहाँ पर आप स्टार्ट करते हैं। एक मिनट थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हैं। तो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमण लॉन्च एन ई प्लेटफॉर्म, ई लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म भारत विद्या टू मेक एजुकेशन रिलेटेड टू आर्ट्स, साइंस, फिलोसफी etc अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन। इट हैज बीन डेवलप्ड बाय भंडारकर ओरिएंटल रिसर्च। नेक्स्ट आपका REC formerly Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, accorded with Maharashtra company status incorporated in 1969. REC is an NBFC focusing on power sector financing and development across India. Next आपका है Union Minister Shri G. Kishan Reddy launches virtual conference symphony to boost tourism sector in North East India. Next आपका Indian Army installed its first avalanche surveillance radar in North Sikkim. It has the capability to detect avalanches within 3 seconds of its trigger and will assist in saving lives of troops and reducing damage to the property in super high altitude area. The largest international museum of Harappan culture is being built in Rakhigadi, Haryana to showcase about 5,000-year-old Indus Valley artifact. Poshan Utsav. So Poshan Utsav was organized by the Ministry of Women and Child Development from 30 September to 2nd October. It aims to act as a platform to address malnutrition in the country and provide better health facilities to children and women. Next, Reliance Industries to set up India's first world largest carbon fiber plant at Hazira, Gujarat. 75,000 crores will be invested over the next 5 years. The plant will have a capacity of 20,000 MTPA based on acrylone trial feedstock. Next, Delhi government has launched India's first virtual schools. In this virtual school, such children can study who are not able to come to a school or whose parents do not want to send girls out. Next आपका recently Computer Emergency Response Team India CERT-1 organized cyber security exercise synergy in collaboration with 13 countries. Its purpose was to create a better strategy to deal with cyber threats. Next आपका HDFC Bank launched bank on wheels van in Gujarat. This wheel vans will provide banking service in remote places. Next आपका Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar inaugurated India's largest rubber dam in Gaya. This dam is 411 meters long, 3 meters high and 400 meters wide. The Meghalaya government has launched the online portal of President Safety and Security Act. This portal will collect intelligence from online data for the safety of residents. Next, the government of Gujarat launched the state first cinema tourism policy 2022 to promote the film industry. Its objective is to bring investment in the state, develop infrastructure and provide employment opportunities to the youth. Next आपका Air India, a Tata Group owned company has prepared a plan called Bihan.ai for the next 5 years. The aim is to bring the company's share in the domestic market to 30%. Next आपका है Union Minister of Jal Shakti Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has declared Andaman and Nicobar as India's first clean Sujal Pradesh. All the villages of the Andaman and Nicobar have got the certification of Har Ghar Jal, and it has also recognized as ODF plus. Next आपका Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan launched the Ramakrishna Mission Awakening for the student of class 8 to 12. Its objective is to emphasize on value-based education among the students under the new education policy. Next आपका Ministry of State for Electronics and Information Technology Rajiv Chandrasekhar visited India first lithium ion cell manufacturing factory in Andhra Pradesh. The capacity of this plant is 270 megawatt, which can produce 20,000 cells per day. Next आपका Uttarakhand was honored with the best adventure tourism destination. Uttarakhand was honored with best adventure tourism destination award on the occasion of World Tourism Day in New Delhi. Uttarakhand has always been a tourist attraction for its natural beauty. Next आपका Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the new national flag for Indian Navy, inspired by the seal of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Kerala, Kochi. This flag has been named निशान, ठीक है, निशान नाम है। नेक्स्ट आपका है ब्लू एनर्जी मोटर्स लॉन्च। तो ब्लू एनर्जी मोटर्स लॉन्च इंडिया फर्स्ट लिक्विफाइड natural gas fueled green truck in Pune. It was inaugurated by Union Minister Nitin Gadkari. Indian Council of Agricultural Research. तो Indian Council of Agricultural Research launched Kritakya 3.0 hackathon for crop improvement. Under this emphasis will be given to on technology and innovation based agriculture in the country. Next आपका recently National Conference of State Tourism Minister 2022 was organized in Dharamsala, Himachal Pradesh. Its objective is to know the views of all the states on tourism development. Next आपका recently Odisha has become the first state in India to launch encyclopedia of tribes in Odisha of the state to document their tribal tradition. It is to mention 62 tribal states, ठीक है। तो recently Odisha has become the first state in India to launch encyclopedia of tribes in Odisha of the state to document their old tradition. It is to mention 62 tribal section. Next आपका Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of the world's first complex natural gas CNG terminal in Bhavnagar, Gujarat. It will be based on public-private partnership and which will be cost around 4,000 crore. Next, the Swachh Toyathon. The Swachh Toyathon competition was launched by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs on 27th September. Its purpose was to encourage the use of waste in the manufacture of toys. So the Swachh Toyathon competition was launched by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs on 27 September. Its purpose was to encourage the use of waste in the manufacture of toys. The Insight 2022 conference was organized in New Delhi on 15-16 September, which was addressed by the Indian Minister Nitin Gadkari, and its purpose was to try to reduce the use of private vehicles and to emphasize the use of electric vehicles. Elvis Aji Hazarika has become the world's oldest swimmer to cross the North Channel from Assam. Niti Aayog launched the first India's first national electric freight platform, eFast India. Its objective is to accelerate the electrification of goods in India. जैसे आपका Kivithu military camp, India's easternmost camp in the Himachal Pradesh, is named after former General Bipin Rawat. तो Kivithu military camp, India's easternmost camp in the Himachal Pradesh, is the name after former General Bipin Rawat CDS, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट आपका है यूनियन मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर मनसुख मांडविया वर्चुअली इनॉग्रेट स्वस्थ सबल भारत कॉन्क्लेव एंड एम्फसाइज्ड ऑन जन भागीदारी टू पॉपुलराइज ऑर्गन डोनेशन। तो यूनियन हेल्थ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर मनसुख मांडविया वर्चुअली इनॉग्रेट स्वस्थ सबल भारत कॉन्क्लेव एंड एम्फसाइज्ड ऑन जन भागीदारी टू पॉपुलराइज ऑर्गन डोनेशन। नेक्स्ट आपका है द यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन अफेयर्स। द यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग एंड अर्बन अफेयर्स has proposed to rename the Rajpath from Rajpati Bhavan to India Gate as a Kartavya Path. Next आपका the Daspara village of Tripura. The Daspara village of Tripura is converted into a nature-based lifestyle and livelihood and reduce the use of chemical fertilizer. With this, it has become the first converted bio-village in India. Next आपका a two-day national conference Manthan was organized by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways in Bangalore, which was inaugurated by the Union Mr. Nitin Gadkari. Its purpose is to discuss the development of the country's economy by improving the transport system. Next आपका ये Central State Science Conference. तो ये Central State Science Conference was organized in the Science City, Ahmedabad on September 10 to 11, which was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It aims to extend Central State coordination in the field of science, technology and innovation. Next आपका on 7 September, the Congress launched the Bharat Jodo Yatra. This journey will pass through 12 states from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, which will be completed by 119 Bharat Yatris in 150 days. It aims to unite the whole India. Next आपका है Confederation of Indian Industries (CII) launched the Coimbatore, a next initiative in Tamil Nadu. It aims to develop the city of Coimbatore into a most attractive and vibrant destination. ठीक है, तो Confederation of Indian Industries (CII) launched the Coimbatore next initiative in Tamil Nadu. It aims to develop the city of Coimbatore into a most attractive and vibrant destination. Government of Gujarat has tied up with Vedanta and Foxconn to set up semiconductor and manufacturing units in state. The government of Gujarat has tied up with Vedanta and Foxconn to set up semiconductor and manufacturing units in the state. Next up, the National Institute of Maritime Heritage. The National Institute of Maritime Heritage is being set up at Lothal, Gujarat by the Union Ministry of Ports, Shipping and High Waterways. Next up, Zero Forum was organized in New Delhi Zero Forum was organized in New Delhi to commemorate the first anniversary of Zero campaign launched by Niti Aayog in 2021. It aimed to promote the use of electric vehicles to improve air quality. Next, आपका HDFC became the first bank in the country to issue an electronic bank guarantee (EBG) in partnership with the National E-Governance Service Limited (NESL). The paper-based time-consuming process has been eliminated with the new electronic bank guarantees that can be processed, stamped, verified, and delivered in the instantly with enhanced security. The HDFC became the first bank in the country to issue an electronic bank guarantee (EBG) in partnership with the National E-Governance Service Limited (NESL). The paper-based time-consuming process has been eliminated with the new electronic bank guarantee that can processed, stamped, verified, and delivered in the instantly with enhanced security. The chairmanship of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization for the year 2023 was handed over to India. Next, आपका India's first and world third university, India first and world third university of forestry will be set up in Telangana. This university will focus on conservation and management of forest resources. Next, आपका Indore has become the first smart city in India to implement digital addressing system, for which a mobile application PATA will be launched for allotting new digital code to every doorstep. Indore has become the first smart city in India to implement digital addressing system, for which a mobile application PATA will be launched for allotting a new digital code for to doorstep. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आपका है, नेक्स्ट आपका सितंबर का ही अभी बचा हुआ. तो द बिहार गवर्नमेंट हैज अनाउंस्ड द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ नो बैग्स डे टू रिड्यूस द बर्डन of bags of a student in school. Along with this, at least one day in a week will also implement the mandatory sport period. The world's largest jungle safari will be built in Gurugram, Haryana, which will be spread over 10,000 acres. Its objective is to develop Haryana as a tourism hub. Next, आपका recently the government of Rajasthan has launched a loan scheme, महिला निधि फोरम में. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आपका recently China has become the first country to approve inhaled version of a COVID-19 vaccine. So recently China has become the first country to approve inhaled version of COVID-19 vaccine. Next आपका है, recently the Odisha government taking concrete steps towards water conservation has started वर्षा जल संचय योजना named छाता. ठीक है. तो आपका जो recently the Odisha government taking concrete steps towards water conservation has started वर्षा जल संचय योजना named छाता. इस आपका the world's first संस्कार केंद्र will be opened in Jhunjhunu district of Rajasthan. In this center, children will be taught the rights by experts from across the country. The world's first sanskar kendra will be opened in Jhunjhunu district of Rajasthan. In this center, children will be taught the rights by experts from across the country. Next, आपका recently the government of Telangana named its secretariat after the name of Dr. B.M. Ambedkar. So recently the government of Telangana named its secretariat after the name of Dr. B.M. Ambedkar. Next, आपका recently Angan 2022 conference was organized by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Its aim is to reduce carbon emission and emphasize energy efficiency. Recently, Angan 2022 conference was organized by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Its aim is to reduce carbon emission and emphasize energy efficiency. Next, आपका recently the Education Department of Uttarakhand has launched the e-governance portal Samarth. Its aim to bring changes in the field of education and emphasize on quality education. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आपका भारतौल विलेज इन उत्तर प्रदेश. तो भारतौल विलेज इन उत्तर प्रदेश हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट विलेज इन इंडिया टू प्रोवाइड आरओ वाटर इन द एवरी हाउस होल्ड. तो भारतौल विलेज इन उत्तर प्रदेश हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट विलेज इन इंडिया टू प्रोवाइड आरओ वाटर इन एवरी हाउस होल्ड. उत्तर प्रदेश हैज टॉप्ड इन डिस्पोजल ऑफ केसेस थ्रू ई प्रोसिक्यूशन पोर्टल अंडर डिजिटल इंडिया मिशन. तो उत्तर प्रदेश हैज टॉप्ड इन डिस्पोजल ऑफ केसेस थ्रू ई प्रोसिक्यूशन पोर्टल अंडर डिजिटल इंडिया मिशन. ठीक है. The first US Pacific Island country summit was held in Washington DC on 28 to 29 September. It was attended by 12 Pacific Island nations, which was chaired by US President Joe Biden. This आपका लास्ट आखिरी है. तो recently Uttarakhand has become the first state in the country to implement the center's new education policy 2020 at the pre-primary level. So recently Uttarakhand has become the first state in the country to implement the center's new education policy 2020 at the pre-primary level. ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट हमारा पढ़ेंगे कल अगस्त 2022 का. तो आज के बाद आप लोग का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.